Jorge here, and I want to show you in this really quick video how this scarcity tools is going to work and what it can do for you. So let's go to the screen, and you can see here that in the dashboard you can see the training here with all the videos explaining how this is going to work and all the tools that I'm going to try here just to see what we can do with this. For example, I want to add a new bar, for example, name of the bar, demo 50, whatever. Okay, save. And this is what I'm going to see. My message, please check my new software, for example. Okay, you can see that's real time updating here. Status active, of course. Style, I can change the text color. I can change the background color, for example, a yellow one, just to be noticeable. Okay, maybe I can change the text color for black. Okay, I can change the position on top or bottom. Okay, in the page, let's do it in the top or border light. I can change the different styles for, okay, I'm going to use this one, the height, the font size, and when it's going to appear this message, for example, I can put, for example, 3 seconds, and the message will appear after 3 seconds when visiting the page, or you can use the show on exit intent. So if I click on this, the bar will appear when my mouse leaves the page. Okay, I'm gonna try this one. I can use a button also. Okay, text click here, for example, and put a text color. I'm gonna put it in white, for example. Button color maybe in green also. Okay, and as I put a button, I can just put this one a little bit more. Of course, it's useful to check it also in how it's going to look in a mobile. Okay, so I can use also a form in here, and this is important because I can get leads from here. Of course, this is going to change everything because you need to disable a timer and the button. Okay, I'm going to set no for this time. I can use the button, the timer in here also, and put, let's say, for example, this one. Okay, I can the time, the hour, and the minute, and so on. The color, for example, I can use the form, but if you use the form, you can't use all of this because maybe it's too much information in there. And for use it, you can just copy and use this one. So I'm going to update this bar, and I'm going to use this as a page example. For example, I have this page, for example. Okay, and this is going to appear 3 seconds after. So I'm going to just put it inside the body. Okay, here. I'm going to save it. You can do that in WordPress and whatever you want. And let's try it here. I'm going to wait 3 seconds to see if, oh, sorry, it's when it's going there. Okay, and you can see my mouse is there and just appearing the scarcity bar. It's over the page, over my page. Okay, so this is it. This is the regarding the bar. Of course, you can remove this. For example, I'm going to edit this one, and I can remove the branding here, an active update bar, and let's update in here. And when my mouse leaves, it's appearing the bar. Of course, you can change it and you can put it in the bottom and so on. Regarding the timer, it's really simple to use. I'm going to use well, I can use this timer for email, for example. You can see, let's put a date, for example, tomorrow. Okay, it's 20 hours, 3 minutes. I can change the, for example, at 11 o'clock, and it's changing, okay, the color, the size. I can use the big one, the medium, or the tiny one. The background color, I can use it red if I want. And for use it, just going to copy this code, update timer in here, going to my demo page. I'm going to delete all the script. You can use it whatever page you want, or even email. Okay, going to save this. I'm going to update in here, and you can see, well, actually it should be inside the page, not right there. I can change that. I'm going to just copy, cut in here. I'm going to see where is an image, the logo inside that. Instead of that, I'm going to save this, and okay, here it is. Okay, so this is it. Let's go to try, for example, the scarcity bar. This is really cool because it's going to create this kind of bars in here, where you can change the text, the color, you can change the color of the bar, you can change the percentage of what is going to be here, and of course this is going to be also an email. You can use it, just copying this and paste it in your email. And the floating layer, this is really cool because this is going to create something that is going to appear after a few seconds or once again on the exit intent of the page. For example, let's try with this one. I have this already. Of course, you can change anything you want. I'm using here the form that, and this is linked to my integrations that I can add through GetResponse, Aweber, MailChimp, MailWiz, and MailVio, and all the leads will go there. Let's go back to floating layer. Okay. This is where the style is appearing in and on the exit intent. So this is what I need. Okay, I'm not using a timer in here. I'm going to use here, copy, update, and let's go to the code again. Okay, getting that inside the body. Okay, save and go in here, update. And it should be appearing when my mouse leaves in here, so I'm gonna rip, and there you are. It's just appearing this. Of course, the user can click it, but if you go to here, my guest email, for example, okay, and send me the info, it's going to save it on your autoresponder, or if you don't have autoresponder, you will have in here in the lead list where you can see all the bars that you have, okay? And finally, the external insert. When you can add an external inserted bar, I'm going to try with this one. And this is really simple because the features you are going to put a page that you don't own is not yours. In this case, I've looked for this one, for example. Okay, paste it here. And I'm choosing what is the bar that is going to show in that page. This is important. This is not going to work in 100% of the pages because some pages are blocked in order to do this. So you have to try. So let's go update it. Let's go to how to use this, and you must just copy this. I'm going to open a new one, paste it. You can see this is the page, and this is my bar appearing. Okay, so if you can remember that this bar is test DW. So let's going to try test DW is this one, and I'm going to change. Okay, the appearing after, for example, 5 seconds. Okay, update. Let's coming back in here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here it is, and the bar is appearing over any page that you may think of use this. So of course, it's not going to work in 100% of any pages, but it's going to work in most of them. So I guess it's pretty cool and easy to use. And this is it. Of course, you can see the stats for everything, how many people has visited, how many leads you get for everything. And this is pretty much all I want to show you. And this is a really quick video of all the capabilities so far of Scarcity Tools. So thanks for being here. Bye.